Aquarius. I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for March 2013. I apologize first of all for the delay that this video has caused. I think this is the third time that I'm uploading the video. There seems to be some audio lag and there's been some trouble in the audio bit of my video. So I did it twice, uploaded it, and then I removed it again. And I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that this particular video comes out well for all you Aquarians. So this month Aquarians, in March we have a planetary parade. We have Sun, we have Mars, we have Venus, and we have Mercury. And these four powerful planets are going to be lighting up a part of your chart that has to do with earned income. It has to do with your earned resources. A lot of you are going to be worrying about your investments as to where is it that the money is being put away, and is it being invested properly. Also, a lot of you will also be thinking about supplementing your income, and I think this is a good time wherein that you should look at maybe doing an alternate thing. That is, if your current job allows you to do it, maybe your hobby can turn into a business venture. And this is a time where you can try and sort of put some amount of an effort, some energy, and maybe some investment into this particular hobby or passion of yours. And the planets indicate that it will yield into good results for you, that is good monies for you Aquarians. This is also a time of lot of perseverance, a lot of persistence, through which uh, you will benefit a lot. So whether it is working on a long term project or a project that has come to you as of now at work, but again it speaks about working consistently, it speaks about perseverance. Similarly, as far as I think you need to be looking at your investments. So certain investments could be dead investments, maybe they need to be looked at again. Maybe you need to be you know liquidating them and reinvesting again. So I think this is a time where you could be or you should be sitting with your C, and you should be planning your money, and not just for now. I think this also speaks about the entire year. It's just a trend this year, Aquarians, for you. You need to be planning your money very, very well for yourself. We are also looking about, yes, I think this aspect is also going to be bringing about a lot of discipline as far as your finances are concerned, Aquarians, as to how it is that you are spending your money, or where is it that the money is going. I think there's some amount of a wastage also that is indicated. So I think you need to be looking especially at your home base, where is it that you can, well, of course, you can't really. Move away from your standard of living or what it is that you're used to living as. But I think it's a good time wherein that you can just maybe look at things that you can do about. Maybe if you have an extra help at home, or if you have you just need to be budget, plan more well, even if it has to do with your monthly groceries. Maybe you seem to be running up huge bills over there, Aquarians. Also, I think some amount of retail therapy or of electronics or gizmos that seem to be the culprit over here. So try and get some discipline. I think this is a time when the planets are also giving you that edge. They are asking you to sort of sit and plan and see as to not just this month, but in the entire 2013, as to how it is that your money is going to be benefiting you, or where is it that it is not really uh, sort of giving you the kind of returns that it should be giving you. There is also a lot of you will also be worried about your stability, your material stability, where it is that you stay, how it is that you stay, and whether it's your EMIs, the money which is going in any case on a monthly basis, but what is it that is being put aside. So a lot of focus this month on material security, on where it is that you uh, future, where it is that you see yourself future in, as far as the monies are concerned, or how it is that the monies that you have planned or not planned for, how long will they last you? So this is a lot of focus now starting from 20th of March, and this is very very strongly there for you till about last few weeks, I would say last 2 weeks of February, and it carries on for you till about 20th of March. And then this entire planetary parade moves on to the third house, that is the house of the higher mind. It's a house of higher education and even travel. So, a lot of ideas, a lot of collaborations. I think a lot of you will be busy either sitting with your teams at workplace, ideating on newer projects, thinking and planning, a lot of brainstorming, and you will be feeling mentally stimulated, Aquarians. And I think that is something which is very important for you. You enjoy, in fact, that is one of the most key things that you love about your work is the mental stimulation it offers or allows you. And this is a time where you will be very excited and very happy about either initiating new projects, new ideas, and quite radical ideas also, and a lot of communication about it as well. There could be some little bit of resistance could be there at your workplace. I think it has to do more with a colleague than with a boss. And I think it could be some friction as far as communication is concerned, and you could meet with some amount of resistance. And it has to do with your ideas, it has to do with the way that you're presenting or the way that your thought process is there. I would say that try and sort of, and since Mars is also there, try not to be very aggressive as far as your speech is concerned, Aquarians. And especially, like I said, from 20th of March to about first few weeks of April, try and sort of play the diplomat, which is very difficult for you, but try not to roughshod over people. And if it's something that you really don't like, just I would suggest just walk away from it. Try not to get in a confrontational mode. It won't do you good, because it is how it is at times when people literally prod you to react. So this could be one of those things. So don't get into a reactionary mode, just sidestep it. Also, for those of you who have been looking at doing adding another degree, or have been looking for another university, this is a great time. I think you will be able to finalize a good university for yourself. And also it's a great time to be picking up a new language, since third house is the house of Mercury, which rules communication. I think it's a great time for you to be learning something new, adding a new skill set to your portfolio. And all this, like I said, with Mars being over there, it's going to be giving its entire drive to you, and you're going to be feeling quite motivated about it. Only be a little careful about spoken words, about communication that is being done at work. There are chances that you could be misunderstood, so try to stay as brief as possible as far as your communication is concerned. Try sort of not to get into any um, long debates. It's not required in any case. There's not great clarity that is going to be coming out of it, so I would suggest just sort of sidestep it. And especially, like I said, it has to do with somebody who's quite aggressive and could sort of be in a mode to sort of make you react. So not worth it. We see this month, that is March, and then of course first few weeks of April, a combination of material security, and also I think you speaking with a lot of people, could be tax planners, could be your CA or your bankers, as to how it is that you invest your money. And as far as your work is concerned, it's a great time as well to be doing presentations, to be meeting new people, to be networking, to be meeting, even to be traveling for work. I think it's an excellent time as well, from 20th March to about 2 weeks of April, to be traveling. So have a lovely March. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.